We're going to do a quick one-hand review of all the chords that we'll need for this piece, and then I'm just going to play it straight through just the chords. We'll start on a G major, G, B, D. We'll need an A chord, A, C sharp, E. Often an F sharp minor, F sharp, A, C sharp. B minors, B, D, F sharps. So those are our four most important. We'll just also be playing with the root note under those chords, and if some of those chords are suspended or not. A 1, 2, 3, start on G for 4. A, F sharp minor, B minor, G. Singing starts. F sharp with an A sharp in the root to B minor, A, G. A with the G in the root, F sharp minor, B, G. Give it an A with a G root, F sharp, B minor, G, A. With an A sharp in the root, B, A, G, A, F sharp minor to B minor, that passing tone, G again, A, keep the G in the root, F sharp minor, crunch it out.